How to enable bike mode in Google Maps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can enable bike mode in Google Maps. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Maps. Then after you're there, you can tap on the layer option. So tap on the layer option, it's right here. And after you're here, you can select the cycling option. This one under map details. After you select cycling option, you can then choose your location where you want to go. So let me just search for the location, tap on direction, and choose another a starting point. After doing that, you should be able to see the locations and the way. And right here you can find the cycling option. So select the bicycle option and it should show you this option. Now if you've selected the layer option under cycling, you should be able to see different map where you can cycle, and there you'll find a button that says bicycling or cycling. Then yeah, that's basically how you enable bike mode in your Google Maps. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.